Hi, this is Hojun Chang. Today I'm gonna begin the new title called Hybrid Console for Wing. Okay, so this is series number 1. I'm so excited to tell you how we're gonna use this console as a hybrid console. The hybrid console, that means like we can have the mixer and control surface in one, right? So if you wanna run the recording studio with just one of this console, you can do it. Yeah, you don't need any more preamps or outboard and other things, and you just need this wing and your Mac or PC and your DAW and the monitor speaker and your some treated acoustic room that you have. Okay, so we all know that the wing is a really nice mixer to have for the whole various inputs and outputs and all the functions, right? So check my other videos. Okay, right now we are listening the song from the Logic there. Okay, so no, it's from the SD card that I put them on here. Okay, so basically just think that this is the physical input for your recording from your recording booth. So there is 4 guys or 5 guys that play like drums, bass, keyboard, organ, and pianos and guitars. Okay, so everything is coming in. So you can have like up to many inputs, right? So stereo like 48 inputs. So you can have whatever that you want. Okay, so the routing goes to, it's like, so you have input here. Okay, let's see, go back to input here. So right now this is a card 1. So number 1 is the card 1, right? So it should be like the AS50A1, something like that. So all the input goes in, right? And the output, so USB audio here. Okay, so USB audio, right? So this one comes from the user signal number 1. The user signal is the whole channel strip of the mixer, the output of the whole channel strip mixer. Okay, so you can have all the things that in your mixer, like this whole gate and other things that you can do it or without it. Okay, this is a digital. So if you have analog, there is a generation kind of loss, but digital there is nothing like that. So you can enjoy how many things that you wanna put. Yeah, that's nice, right? Okay, so this is the user signal out. So input comes from the source, and there are all the pre's and whole signal pass in the channel strip, and then goes to the routing sections here. Okay, and then it goes to the USB 1 here, this way. Okay, so USB 1 goes to USB, the user channel goes to the USB 1. So it goes to the DAW. There's number 1, right? So you can see the kick here. No, okay. Kick here. So this is controlling the kick drum, right? So this whole section, I set up the mode for the, okay, here, DAW here. So MCU plus extender, just one extender. So this whole section is for the DAW section here, and this is the mixer, right? This and this one. So you can control all the inputs here, checking the whole the plugins inside of mixer, and then goes to there, and then you can use this DAW mode to control the whole logic here. Okay, so this is everything here, right? So you can control your plugins on the DAW or plugins in the mixer. This is a hybrid mode. Kind of complicated, but it will be like your dream machines if you have like enough budget to have like a SSL or Neve Genesis or something like that in the big studio thing, or yeah, then go there. But if you don't have that much budget, but you wanna have your own recording studio with quite reasonable piece of equipment that you wanna run, I think the Wing is the best choice that you can have. Because if you wanna go with some other like pre's, if you wanna have 48 input and output audio interface, not like a Wing or something like that. If you wanna go with the UAD or RME or whatever your favorite, that cost is a lot, right? It's more than this mixer. And the controller sections. Okay, so you wanna go with the Artist Mix or X-Touch or even Yukon like S1, S3, S4, S6 or SSL, the new one that coming in, and also the Nucleus. There's a whole lot of options that you can have, right? But it's about the money. It is about the money, right? So this is not just we can call it bang in the buck, but this is really efficient and this is really nice for you. Okay, this is series number 1. Kind of complicated, right? So next video I'm gonna just show you how we can have like one by one. All right, subscribe, press like, type any comment, and we can communicate. Thanks for watching it. Bye.